Hello everyone and welcome back to Ozzy's Young Learning Emporium. In today's video, we are going to be exploring the trigonometric proof of cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta and sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Let's start with this right angle triangle and name this angle theta. Now since this is a right angle triangle, this angle is going to be 90 degrees. Now we are going to be naming the hypotenuse h, the adjacent a, and the opposite O. Now since the sum of all the angles in this triangle is 180 degrees, the angle x is going to be equal to 90 minus theta. Now since the cosine function in trigonometry is the ratio of the adjacent to the hypotenuse, cos theta for this triangle is going to be a over h. Now if we flip this triangle and look at 90 minus theta as our main angle, sine 90 minus theta is equal to a over h for the same triangle. Thus, cos theta is equal to a over h, but so is sine 90 minus theta. So that means sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now let's go back to our triangle and make theta our main angle. Now since the trigonometric function sine is the ratio of the opposite to the hypotenuse, sine theta for this triangle is going to be O over h. Again, if we flip the triangle and make 90 minus theta our main angle, cos 90 minus theta is equal to O over h. So that means sine theta is equal to O over h, but so is cos 90 minus theta. So basically, this proves that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have any questions. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.